and girls, Miss Kristin here, and today's activity will be making rain sticks. Do you know what a rain stick is? No, you've never seen a rain stick before? Well, today's your lucky day, because guess what? I have a big rain stick here. This is our classroom rain stick, and it is made out of bamboo wood. Watch what happens when I turn it. Whoa, did you hear the sound it made? Wow, that's loud and sounds really pretty. Sounds a lot like rain. Hence, it's called a rain stick. Today, we're going to be making our very own rain sticks with the materials in your activities bag. You'll need a parent or guardian to help you with this project, so follow along. You should have had in your bag 2 rectangle sheets of paper like this, a paper towel roll, as well as 2 sheets of foil. You're gonna need either a pen or like a kitchen utensil. I'm gonna use this. This is for spreading frosting, but I'm gonna use this in our project today. A pen or pencil will work just fine. We're gonna wrap our foil around this and make like a foil spiral. So for first things first, we're gonna take our piece of paper and we're gonna put it on one end of our paper towel rolls. I'm going to use tape to put my paper on the paper towel roll. You could use glue. If you have rubber bands at home, you could use a rubber band. But I'm going to use some Scotch tape, some house tape. And once you got your paper all wrapped around your tube to where it's covering the whole circle, you're going to grab some tape and wrap it around like so. Hello, kitty. My kitty is saying hi to you today. Oh, I know. He wants to make a rain stick too. All right. And one more piece of tape should do it. Alrighty. The reason why we want to make sure this is all closed and taped up is because we don't want our bird seed to fall out the end of it when we turn it to make the sound. So it should be all nice and taped up and closed like that. Again, you can use glue or rubber bands, either or. Now, it's time to wrap up our foil. We're going to make our foil coil. So you're going to take your sheet of paper and kind of fold it up a little bit to make it nice and long like this. And then we're going to wrap it around our utensil. And we're going to go up and over, up and over, up and over, like so. And kind of squish it on there. Make it all nice and squishy and tight. And it kind of looks like a candy cane. Look at that. You see those candy cane swirls? You want it to look just like that. And then we can take it off once it's all wrapped up. And then we're going to kind of spread it out a little bit. And we want it to be around the length of our tube. So we could either stretch it out or squish it up more. You're going to do that 2 or 3 times with your 2 sheets of foil, because you want a couple different coils like so. I already have some pre-made here. And I'm going to put them all in my tube. The reason why we make little foil coils to go into our tube is it helps slow down the bird seed as it travels through the tube, making it sound like a slow rain trickle. If we don't have the foil in our tube, our bird seed will fall down the tube too fast and it won't give that slow rain effect. So there we go. Now that I have my foil coils, that rhymes, foil coils, inside my tube, I'm ready. It is time to add the bird seed. I added a little bit of rice into my bird seed too, because I wanted to see what rice would sound like in my tube. Maybe you could find something else besides bird seed to add in your tube. What else could we add? Maybe beans or rice, or maybe some cereal or sand. I wonder what sand would sound like in the tube. And if you use a rubber band for your paper instead of tape, you could experiment with different types of materials inside your ring stick and see what each type of material makes, what kind of sound it makes. All right, so now we're gonna finish up and close up our tube. I have my second sheet of paper. We're gonna do the same thing when we did on the bottom. We're gonna wrap it around really, really tight and close up that hole. And then I'm gonna take my tape and tape around all the edges. Gonna tape, oh, my tape almost came off. Stay down, tape. All right, do one more big piece. There we go. Oh, it looks like I have a little hole left. Let's cover that up with a piece of tape. I don't want any of my birdseed or rice to fall out. There we have it. It's done. Should we see what it sounds like? Ready? Listen. Whoa, did you hear that? Sounds kind of like rain. It sounds similar to our big rain stick, huh? This one sounds really loud. It does sound similar, huh? You could turn it fast or slow. And there you have it. You have your shaky ring stick. Thank you for watching. See you next time, boys and girls.